I'm Samantha Williams. I work within the innovation team at the Welsh Government.
I'm Andrew Martin. I'm Head of Strategic Partnership for the Advanced Manufacturing Centre in Wales, and we lead on technology and innovation across all manufacturing businesses.
My name's Ben Davis. I'm the founder of a company called AMP PCR.
Hyder dwi, a dwi'n gweithio I M-Spark.
Take the opportunity to work collaboratively where you can. If you've got the opportunity to work with research organisations on R&D, have a chat to them and see what's available. They're really good to work with.
Use your networks, use your partnerships, talk to fellow business leaders, because people will share their real benefits and what they've done in the past.
I was at a SFC Capital Portfolio event, and the CEO of SFC said, you need to be a masochist. And that kind of just felt quite validating, because you spend a lot of time worrying about what you're doing. And he said that that's kind of the common denominator amongst all business people. You kind of need to be a masochist, but when it works, you will never regret it. So that was something that was pretty cool.
Jyst i gael hyder, dwi'n meddwl, a credu'n dy hun, credu'n dy syniad, a cymryd cyngor, cysylltu efo pobl, a adeiladu dy rwydwaith. Mae yna bobl allan yna i helpu chdi.